and welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are gonna unbox this HP laptop. As you can see the model number HP laptop 15G BR004TU, and the price over here is showing 35,634, but we bought it in 31,000. So without any further ado, let's get started. So as you can see, this is the main laptop, and this is the charger over here. This is the charger over here. This is normal HP charger. So this is the main laptop. As you can see, it is silver in color. It is Pavilion series with 4-cell batteries. This is the laptop, guys. As you can see, let me get started. See, we have quickly set up the laptop, and let me tell you the features of this laptop. It consists of i3 processor, 7th generation, 4 GB of RAM, and 1 TB of hard disk. But you guys will think that at this much price every laptop gives this, but no guys, here is something new which I'm gonna show you, and that's interesting. At 31,000 we also have backlit keyboard over here, and that's why I prefer this laptop. Plus this display is this display is full HD 4K certified. And let me show you the ports. It got one USB 3 port and two USB 2.0 port, one over here and one over here. This is the SSD card slot, and this is the disk drive slot, and this is the remaining ports. It's exhaust, here the charging port, here the earphone port, and here the speakers are in the bottom of the laptop. And as you can see, the look is also very good. It's got a glossy finish, silver in color, and I think it's pretty good at the range of 31,000.
For watching this video. If you like this video, do like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel.